Ashley back here, and we are going to have a very, very quick Canva resource. Quick video tutorial today on how to remove the background of images. I believe this is a pro feature. I could be wrong on that, but let's go real quick in how to do it. But first, how in the heck do we remove images or remove the background of images on Canva? So first, make sure your image is loaded on your device, and then you're going to go to Gallery, click the image, and then give Add to Page a click, get it the size you want it, and then, yep, it is a pro feature. As you can see up here, we have background remover. Real quick, real easy, give that a tap. It is going to automatically remove that background for us, and look how perfect that was. Yes, let's give it another try with more images. Just make sure it works on all of them here. Give it a second to upload into your profile, and then once again you just hit background remover, and the AI automatically calculates what's the focus of the image and what's the background of the image, and it removes that background. Y'all, this is a really fantastic option for helping to make your watermarks. When you export is the real important part here. So remember to export. We go to share, give that a click, and then we go to save as, give that a click. So you need it to be a PNG, and then you have to make sure that transparent background is clicked. Then we'll just click download, and as you can see, that background looks black, but that is because it is not there. Now I could use this as a watermark. I hope that helped y'all.